Walang nakikitang banta sa seguridad ng bansa ang namataang Chinese aircraft carrier dahil nasa lugar daw ito na hindi saklaw ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Sagot ito ni Pangulong Aquino sa report na nakapasok umano sa bahagi ng West Philippine Sea ang naturang Chinese aircraft. Ayon sa Pangulo, kung sakaling pumasok sa 12 nautical miles along baseline ang nasabing aircraft, maaaring kailanganin ito ng permiso. Magkagayon man daw, sinabi ni Aquino na mayroong tinatawag na free passage or right of innocent passage guaranteed to all nationalities.
Sabi na, well, let's not play it up. I think the Chinese themselves have admitted that this is they're not yet fully operational. Is it 2 or 3 years pa before they believe that they will be fully operational? Ibig sabihin nun, they're learning career, no? Both the crews on board the planes and also the pilots who will be flying the planes. So they're transiting here, that hindi pa sila operational. Why should anybody consider it a threat?